In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your Instagram highlights from someone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app, and then we need to head over to someone's profile page whom we would like to hide our Instagram highlights from. It could be our follower or any other user on Instagram, and then I'm just gonna go to that user's profile page. It is not my follower actually, and I am not follower of that user. And then once we are at someone's profile page, basically all we have to do is just hit right here at these three dots and then select restrict. That's how we can easily restrict a user, and any of restricted users are not able to view our highlights on Instagram. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.